This is Tangstar Science's digital microscope task cards in Google Slides. This is a fun task card review that requires no printing or paper. It is also perfect for distance learning. This resource comes in two versions. The first version has cards that only contain questions, and the second version has cards that contain the questions as well as the answers. Let's take a look at what the students will see once they put the Google Slides into presentation mode. Each click of the mouse will get the slide to switch from one card to the next. Some of the task cards ask students to identify the parts of a microscope as well as their functions using a microscope parts diagram. This is one, for example. Examine the microscope diagram and identify structure L and describe its function. Then there are other task cards like this one. Identify X. This is one of the objective lenses. Here's another question. What two parts of the microscope should be supported when transporting it? Which objective lens should you use when you first start focusing on your specimen? The version with the answers is very similar, except that when you want to find the answer to the question, you click onto the slide and up pops the answer. Another click gets you to the next task card, and another click gets you to the answer. If you would like your students to record their answers into a worksheet, I've provided one in Google Slides with fillable text boxes. As well, I have also given you a printable PDF version for any of your students who would prefer to print out the worksheet and to write down their answers. A full answer key has also been provided for the worksheet. For those of you who would like a printable paper copy of this resource for making physical task cards, I have a link in the product description for that resource.